boys? Tomatosaucin here. I am coming at you live with premier Dragonflight content. What you're looking at looks a little silly, right? I'm on a level 63 Frost Death Knight, but I want to let you know about an hour ago, this Frost DK was absolutely level 60. Cobalt Assembly, boys, is the absolute best way to level your alts in Dragonflight. And on top of that, you're farming out your reputation for the ring. So you can see I'm already medium and I'm only level 63. I've been here about an hour now. The experience is absurd. And the best part about it is while you are farming out your rep here to get that ring, your main's abilities actually carry over to your alts. So you actually have the 30% increased reputation gain from your main if you've done this grind already on a main. So not only are you actually farming out your Cobalt Assembly ring, right? For all the DPS out there, you're going after the Scholar's Loop, right? Your damaging spells and abilities have a chance to deal 25,543 arcane damage, 389 item level in your ring that you're going to get before you hit level 70. But the XP per hour is through the roof here. No joke. You're absolutely just flying. I really can't believe it. We kind of found this by accident. I had a buddy of mine recommend it to me. I said, I can't be that good. But we're out here. A few of us are under level 70. And whatever we can't kill, there's so many people out here, and they must have removed the 5-man stack like raid tagging rules out here. You're constantly getting experience, right? You're just constantly dumping 912 experience a mob at level whatever level I am, level 63. So that's going to keep going, up and down. I've seen as much as 1200 experience per mob while I've been out here. And I've seen as little as 800. So it's definitely a very, very interesting XP farm. You have some friends that are max level that still need the rings. There's enough people out here to where you're not going to hold the group back. And you'll do very little damage because a lot of the your spells miss these mobs because they're higher level. But you're getting levels so fast that you'll eventually be able to contribute to the group if you wanted to stay out here the whole way up. I recommend just staying out here until you have enough reputation for the ring, because then that's just one more reputation grind that you're not doing at max level. And then going and knocking out quests and getting your renown up, right? Make sure you get that level 5 renown minimum with Voldraken so that you can get the siege unlocked. Go knock out your reps with the other factions. Try to get all them up to 5. You need the hunt, the centaur rep to be level 5 so that you can go on the hunt each week. So you have other rep grinds that are going to help you out. Although this is probably the fastest path to 70 if you just wanted to go 70 and didn't care about any reps. It might not be the most optimal way to get your character ready for endgame. So that's pretty much it, guys. I wanted to share this farm with my channel because it really is that good. I'm just coming out here trying to tag things up, hitting whatever buttons I can without dying and trying to contribute wherever I can. But yeah, this is an absolutely great rep farm, guys. So if you made it this far and you haven't subscribed to the channel, click that red sub button, guys. I'm here to continue to bring you guys good content throughout the holiday season. It unfortunately will not be as much as I usually do. I've just got a lot going on right now with the family and whatnot, but all good things. So happy holidays, guys. Level your alts in Dragonflight. Don't forget, for all my classic players, Joyous Journeys buff is actually live. So if you want to level an alt in classic, now's the time to do that as well. And there's some great XP farms in Classic WoW. I'll shoot you one on another video. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Click that sub button. Hopefully that thing didn't kill me. It didn't. Tomatosaucin out. XP farm. Cobalt Assembly. Get that ring before 70. Absolutely in. Have a nice day. Have a nice night. Have a nice week. And have a nice, happy new year, guys. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. God bless.